Hello children, today we are going to learn about least common multiple. But before that, you should understand what is meant by common multiple. When a particular number is a multiple of two or more numbers, then it is called a common multiple of those numbers. For example, 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 1 into 6 is also equal to 6. This means 6 is a common multiple of 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now let us see how to find the common multiples of two numbers. First example, 5 and 7. We'll write the first 10 multiples of each number. The first 10 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. And the first 10 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. You can see that the common multiple of 5 and 7 is 35. But this does not mean that two or more numbers will have only one common multiple. The common multiples of two or more numbers are not limited. Just as the number of multiples of a number are endless, the common multiples of two or more numbers are also endless. Let's see an example. Consider the multiples of 2 and 3. The first 10 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. And the first 10 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. You can see the number of common multiples 6, 12 and 18. And they can have more than these three common multiples. But out of all these common multiples, 6 is the smallest. And hence, 6 is called the least common multiple of 2 and 3. So now we know the definition of least common multiple. The smallest multiple or the first multiple that is common to two or more numbers is called the least common multiple or the LCM of the given numbers. By this definition, now let us see what is the LCM of 5 and 7. We have already listed the first 10 multiples of both the numbers, and the first multiple or the smallest multiple that is common to both the numbers is 35, which means the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. And as we have seen in the example of 2 and 3, out of the common multiples 6, 12 and 18, 6 is the smallest. Hence, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. This method of listing the first few multiples of two or more given numbers to get the smallest multiple which is common is called the listing method. To use the listing method to find the LCM, in this method, we begin by listing the first few multiples of the given numbers. After that, circle all the common multiples and thereafter identify the smallest multiple from the circled numbers as the LCM. We'll do one more example. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20 using listing method. As explained, list the first few multiples of each number. We'll start with 12. The first 10 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. The first 10 multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and 150. And the first 10 multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. The common multiples of all the three numbers are 60 and 120, out of which 60 is the smallest. Hence, the LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. There is one more method that is used to find the LCM, the short division method. In this method, we start by dividing the numbers by the smallest prime number. Bring down the numbers that are not divisible as it is. Carry on dividing till all the quotients are 1. The LCM will be the product of all the divisors. Let's do an example to understand the method clearly. Find the LCM of 16 and 48 using short division method. As explained, we will start dividing 16 and 48 by the smallest prime number, which is 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8 and 48 divided by 2 is 24. We have to carry on dividing. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Once more, 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Again, 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now you can see that one of the quotients has already become 1, but we are left with 3, which is divisible by 3 itself. We divide 3 by 3 to get the quotient 1. Now that both the quotients are 1, we can stop dividing. The LCM of 16 and 48 is the product of all the divisors. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 48. Let's do another example. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15 using short division method. As explained, divide 8, 12 and 15 by the smallest prime number 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 15 being an odd number is not divisible by 2. So we bring down 15 as it is. Continue to divide by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. And 15 is not divisible by 2, so we bring down 15 as it is. Next, divide 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 3 is not divisible by 2, so we bring down 3 as it is, and 15 is also brought down as it is. One of the quotients has already become 1. We have to divide 3 and 15, and since both are odd numbers, they are not divisible by 2. So we jump to the next prime number 3. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 by 3 is equal to 1 and 15 by 3 is equal to 5. 5 is divisible by 5 itself. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now, all the quotients have become 1, so we can stop dividing. LCM is the product of all the divisors. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 120. We'll do one last example. Find the LCM of 5, 9 and 15 using short division method. We have to start dividing 5, 9 and 15 by the smallest prime number 2. But since all the three are odd numbers, none of them are divisible by 2. So we skip 2 and jump to the next prime number 3. 5 is not divisible by 3, so we bring down 5 as it is. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Divide by 3 once more. 5 will be brought down as it is. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and the last 5 is also brought down as it is. Now divide by 5 and all the three quotients will become 1, which means we can stop dividing. LCM is the product of all the divisors. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 45.